Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Keturah, and I love sharing aspects of my home and lifestyle with you guys. So today guys, what is on the schedule for today? I'm in my room, in my bedroom, and I'm going to be doing the basic cleanup and refresh and decorate. But before I do that, I want to change out the curtains and I need to clean the windows. The windows are basically screaming at me right now. They're really filthy. So right now temperatures are low, it's nice and cool and fresh outside. So I'm gonna attend to the windows first thing, and then I'm gonna come back in and do the rest. I do have a piece of wall art to put up, and I'm going to show you that at the right time. So stick around with me and let's see how everything turns out. Keep watching guys. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking down the curtains right now so that I can get started on the windows. So yes guys, the landlord had to spray the exterior of the building for bugs. That's something that they do every summer. So it really left the windows with all the gunk and the goo and the dirty water and so on. And this is something that I had been meaning to do for some time now, but I kept putting it off because of the kind of summer that we've been having so far with all the heat waves. It's just like so unbearably humid out there, so I just kept on putting it off. But this morning it was so nice and fresh and cool, so I said let me just take advantage and get it over and done with. Okay guys, so I'm done with the windows, and boy does it feel good to just be able to see outside very clearly. Yes, so this is one task that's already taken care of, and now I am going to show you the new wall art that I I want to use it here. I'm going to take down that piece and put up the new wall art. So hold on a minute, let me get it for you. Okay, guys, so this is the piece that I got, and I got it from HomeSense. There are several reasons why I like this piece. Number one, it's very neutral, and it has all of the blacks because I love black. Black is my one of my colors in my color palette, my everyday palette, and I also like it because I personally am always drawn to abstract paintings, and not just any abstract paintings. It has to be the type that draws me in, something that evokes some kind of nostalgic feeling in me, something that when I look at it, my mind wanders off and it's like I can escape reality for just a little while, for just a few minutes, a few seconds. So this painting spoke to me, this canvas spoke to me. So it's like I can just imagine myself sitting in the canoe, in the boat, and just staring out, and my mind just wanders off for a little bit. So that's one of the main reasons I got this piece. Also, another reason I like it is because it has that moody kind of look and feel to it. So I feel that I can also use it for the fall season that's coming up soon. So yeah, so this piece, I'm going to take down that one over there and replace it with this one. And again, I said I got it from HomeSense. So hold on, let me just take care of that. So now I'm just going to put up these fresh curtains. These are curtains that I have used before already. The share in the middle is from Amazon, and the one that I'm going to put on the two ends, these are from a store called Boucle. Alright guys, so just to speed things up a little bit, I changed out the bed linen off camera. I did all of that, placed the sheets, and now I'm just going to be adding the accessories, really, just to dress the bed. And I'm coming in with these 3 size 24 by 24 pillows. These pillow covers are from Amazon. So I'm going to be placing those 3 pillows in the back. And I'm going to be coming in next with 2 regular sleeping pillows. And finally, guys, I'm going to come in with these 3 accent pillows. These are pillows that I usually keep in the living room and on the kitchen table, the chairs for the kitchen table. The first one with the stripes and the leather, the tan leather, that one is from Amazon. The second floral pillow is from Walmart, and the third one, the pillow cover, is from Amazon also. Next, I'm adding this table runner to the bed. Now, to finish off the bed, I am adding this throw to the bottom of the bed at the corner, and I'm just going to be placing it like a horseshoe shape, or you can call it a C shape if you want to, just at the edge of the bed, and allow the edges to just drip along the sides of the bed. So now I'm just quickly cleaning off all the mirrors in the room, and I'm just going to be doing some light dusting in the space. When it comes to sweeping or washing the floor, you don't usually see me doing this. I usually do it off camera because the space is so tight and it takes so much from me. Especially with the filming, it takes so much from me to get all the angles right. So these things I usually take care of them off camera. So I'm just going to be doing the mirrors and doing some dusting, and then we'll get to the decorating. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you so much for staying with me up to this part of the video. Alright guys, so to begin the decorating, which honestly I'm not going to be doing much in terms of decorating, I'm just going to be placing this floral arrangement in front of the huge round mirror that I have in the bedroom. And these florals, they are a mix of like tans and browns and caramel. It's just a whole mix, and which is my accent color that I use for my everyday decor. And I got them all from Dollarama. And on the side tables, on the nightstand, I'm just adding this coffee table book that I got from Amazon, and a statuette of a tiger, I think it is, or a tiger or a leopard, and I'm just adding some greenery to the space.
me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true.
So guys, here we have it. We have come almost to the end of the video. I do hope that you enjoyed watching the video and that you got something out of it. And as usual, you know how we do it. I would appreciate if you would give a thumbs up to the video if you like what you see, of course, and leave a comment in the comment section to let me know what your thoughts are about this one. And if you are new here, or if you have been watching for a while and you have not yet subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to the channel so that you will be one of the first, among the first, to know when I upload anything new. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate your encouraging words as always. You guys have been so sweet. Thank you so much. And take care of yourselves as always. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.